Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove screen time passcode on iPhone. So if you want to remove your iPhone screen time passcode, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to remove screen time passcode on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down, locate and click on screen time. On the screen time page, scroll down. Then it should say change screen time passcode. Go ahead and click on that. Then it should say turn off screen time passcode. Then select that. You'll be prompted to type in your screen time passcode. Go ahead and type in your screen time passcode. Then hang on. Then also say change screen time passcode, change to lost screen time settings. Then you're good to go. So that is basically how to remove screen time passcode on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.